Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this section I want to making a tutorial about the simple or simple thing with the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, before that I'll Introduce myself. My name is Said Ramban Nuseri and from the 10th TKG. Nice to meet you guys. Okay, this section get into introducing with the Cisco packet tracer or the feature system. Just the first one is knowledge about the MOTD, and the second is about setting a password, and then the third is IP address. Okay, for the first one is we're gonna to add the router is 180.41. Then we're gonna go in with the shell I command line interface. Okay, no, press return or enter. Okay, in this feature of the Cisco, there are some router and then the slash or right. There's some features just like there's filters of fields of the configuration. We're gonna to cannot adding the configuration because there's a three mode, and this the first for the first router. Just we in the router there's a filter of fields the configuration. Then you have to enable for the next filters. There's hashtag. Yes, this one can checking or not. Yes, this can checking or like some do show the router. Just showing the information of the router. Okay, now we're gonna do config config or configuration terminal configure terminal. Then this one we gonna do this one we go to the in configuration comments. This one can the filters can adding the configuration or checking like yes we can have the two filters in the one filter and can add one filter configuration comment. For the first one, forget. For the first one, uh, you know to adding the banner MOTD. What is the MOTD? MOTD is the message of the day. Just for the first one, just press return, get start. If there's some message of the we open the CLI. Just simple like the text. We're gonna to the router have the announcement uh announcement about the router rules of the router, and then just like what just like that the router for the user management. Okay, the first one there's banner and then MOTD, and the last with a special character or special text, this slash or just something like that. Okay, then this is must to adding the special character and with the character like this. Now we're going to add the text. You can add for it after you adding the code. and don't forget with end with the special character. Okay, now we get to see exit, just exit, exit. Okay, now this one. The text will show automatic, automatic. Now the second to setting password. Uh, for the setting password, the simple setting password, you have to enable password, and then input the password, just enter. Then service password encryption. Before that, I will what there is in the password. There are the two types. The first is type 7. Type 7, this one. The type 7 is where we have the encryption with a small bit that can be hacking or getting for password easily more. And then the second is the type 5. Type 5 is using MD5, MD5, because of that there is no can encryption, and then with the have many a bit, just like 100 or something like that. Okay, now we're gonna test exit, exit, and then enable. This one show does automatically input your password, and then you have to password type 5. Enable secret, and then input your password. Okay, okay. Before that, I will tell you, if we have the two type password with the having or enable, there's some the table 7 will turn off or not will use, because the password 7 is just more easier to hacking to get the encryption. Because of that, the system of the Cisco will use the type 5. If uh, we try to type 7, like 1 2 3, this can. Okay, now we're gonna to input Cisco to type 5. Okay, travel in. Okay, for the next, we're gonna do adding the IP address. For the first, you know to adding the end device, and we gonna just automatically choose connection type. You see, there's some bright triangle interface. We gonna to add command interface. What the function of the interface? Interface function of the part of to the cable to the cable in PC. We just like there are some ports in the router connecting in the PC. Then this fast internet 0/0. Then adding IP address 182.168.10.1, and then the subnet mask 0. Okay. Then don't forget to adding no shutdown. The function of no shutdown, we are just like we are there to turn off every time. And you can see this one, the triangle will gonna be green. Now we're gonna have to add the IP in the PC call. Just open desktop IP configuration and then input your IP 10.2 and then subnet mask. Okay. Now go to ping for the test this will connect to the router or not. Okay. As you can see, the ping static for 192 168 10 1 packet send is for receive and the for loss. This one is the get the receive, or we gonna just have Brazil or the router to the PC is connected with the IP 192 168 10 and 2. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time in the next video. Bye guys.